the famous street here in Orion. Yung mga buildings nila, there's a balcony with the art of this one. This biggest clock we eat in this Kronos. We're now at the last day, last night. Lakad lang kami. So we're one station from the house of my cousin. Choyamers, this is my Epsilon. My initial is here. Ang palatandaan kung saan kami liliko papunta sa bahay na Rose at Dario. This is, ito yun. Ito yata yung sinasabing masarap ang tinapay. Here.
Kasi yun may cafe din doon. Pero hindi naman siya. Sa type.
Yan ang aming crossing.